In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can crop a video using Canva. But just to be clear, cropping is not cutting. So cropping a video is basically just changing the dimension of the video, but it is not making a video to be shorter or cut a section of the video. That is for cutting or splitting, but cropping is different, just to be clear. Anyway, here I have a video that I want to insert into this square area, square Instagram template sort. So this video is just a regular 16:9 video, and this is not going to fit into this area. So the way I could make this video to be fit is I have to crop a section of the video, and fortunately it is very easy. You can click on this crop menu and it will reveal this menu that allows you to select the size or the aspect ratio of the video. Let's say I'm going to select 1:1, which is exactly square, and you can select which part of the video that you want to show and which one that you want to discard. And after that, you can click done, and there you go. So now the video is exactly square, and I can use it on whatever frame that I want to show the video. Let's say I'm going to put it here, and there you go. So that was a simple way to crop a video in Canva. But I think it is worth mentioning that it is not gone forever. If you ever crop a video, you can always go back to the previous state or the previous resolution of the video. If I crop the video to square and then go back to the crop menu again, you will see that there are still the rest of the video, and you can always go back and select any size for the video. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can crop a video using Canva.